Welcome back to my channel. Over to MARITIME, guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. So this video is very special video I would like to make, and this video is going to be like my joining, not vlog. I cannot call it vlog because I don't have the tendency to roam around here and there and make videos. I would like to sit on a place and love to talk with you guys. Okay, that is the thing. So few details I will share with you. Definitely all details cannot be shared. There is a social media policy and all, obviously that is there, security purposes, so I will not share a lot of details. So now in this COVID situation, joining is a very critical task because 2-3 factors are there. First, you cannot join from all the ports because lot of ports, like especially in ports in Japan, all sign on sign off closed. So Japan is one of the, you can say, call it hub for the crew change. So these all things we are facing. Apart from that RT-PCR test and all. So now I'm in Mumbai in a hotel. Definitely I will show you the room, not this video, another video will come, the room tour, which kind of room I'm getting, or the MARITIME officers used to get. So that video I will post maybe tomorrow. Okay, so I'll be joining from the USA. Port I will not disclose, but I will be joining from USA. A vessel type will be card carrier. Name I will definitely not going to share with you. So after long time I'm joining back because I had my exams and all. So it took time due to COVID. The MMD are closed, so I didn't able to attend the exams because it was closed. Then I cleared exams and all, and then last joining cancelled because my RT-PCR I got positive without any symptom. I don't know how it happened, but it happened somehow. So this is the thing seafarers are facing today. No symptoms, nothing, but still they are going to get some RT-PCR positive and all. So I've already faced it last month only. So I think this time it will be okay, everything will be okay. So I'll stay here for I think another 6 days, then I'll fly to USA from I think Mumbai to London, London to USA. That will be the scheduled plan. And by the meantime I will again gone through 2 RT-PCR tests, initial and final. So I have to get those results negative. Hopefully I'll get it, and then I will join. So that was the thing I wanted to tell you. And as far as ship is concerned, ship will en route throughout the world because car carrier has that opportunity you'll get if you're selling car carriers, that there is no fixed route. Basically it is not a liner vessel, so there is an opportunity, but now there is no shore leave, so it is another hectic problem. And another thing I would like to share, on board I'll try to make videos. Definitely I will not going to make some like operational stuff and all, because I don't like this to show the ship operations and all. And I believe if you make videos on your off time, okay, everything cannot be shared, no, because it will hamper the ship's operation also. So whenever I'll get time, I'll definitely try to make videos and try to upload whenever is possible, because making videos is another thing. Uploading is a difficult task due to the lack of internet connectivity. So as of now, maybe next 5-6 days videos will be regularly come, then maybe there will be some gap, and then we'll again start. Okay, so definitely follow me on the Instagram, because if I'm unable to post something important, exams notice and all, then I'll definitely try to post on the Instagram. So that's it. I think I will not elongate this video. Tomorrow we'll get a room tour, how it looked like. Okay, so by meantime, take care, and if you like, please like the video and subscribe, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Signing off for the day.